Hey everybody, Brad Hacker here at Benchmark Mortgage. We've gotten several questions today from our customers, from realtor partners, affinity partners, different people asking how is this government shutdown going to impact loans. So I wanted to go over a few of the things with you. Probably the most major impact is going to be on the USDA rural housing loans, because with the rural housing loans, the USDA does issue a conditional commitment to lenders, and we will not be able to get those conditional commitments from USDA while the government is shut down. So if you have any borrowers that are in process doing a USDA rural housing loan, there could be some substantial impacts there. Same thing along the lines of reverse mortgages. So if you have a client who's doing reverse for purchase or maybe a reverse mortgage refinance, then those again have to have government approvals. Those are something that could be delayed. Other minor delay situations would be if we have to have a tax transcript on a self-employed borrower, for example, the IRS being closed, could take longer to get those tax transcripts processed. So that could cause some potential delays. Also, if you've got a situation where you've got a property in a floodplain, there won't be any flood policies issued by NIPA while this is shut down. So could have some delays if you're doing a transaction on a property in a floodplain and the old flood insurance isn't getting transferred to the new borrower. Outside of that, no interruptions on your FHAs, no interruptions on your VA loans. Of course, obviously no interruptions on your conventionals. Again, unless we're dealing with self-employed borrowers where we got to have tax transcripts. One other place you might find a delay is if you have a government employee whose office is closed due to the government shutdowns. If we need to do a verification of employment on that employee, we're obviously not going to be able to get that. That could cause delays. But for the most part, I would say 90%, maybe even 95% of all loans that we're doing, we won't see any delays whatsoever. We'll be closing on time and it'll be business as usual, certainly for us here at Benchmark. And I think you'll find that to be the same with most of your other lenders as well. As always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me, either here at the office or shoot me a text. Otherwise, hope you're doing awesome. If you need anything at all, let us know. Take care.